Yes, welcome back to our channel. As I promised to in the previous video, I promise to show you in the next video is how to set up this remote to your air conditioner. As the previous, I already unboxed this Chunghop model K-650E, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this remote control to your air conditioner. No matter what your brand is, this one can use all brand that it says universal air conditioner. More than 90, it says in the catalog is 99.99% of the air conditioner that can use with this remote. It means that just only 0.01% of the all air conditioner brand that cannot use with this remote control. So now let's start it. Now we beginning with the air conditioner. This is the Panasonic. It is in year 2015. I bought it 3 years ago. Now to set up your remote control, you need to turn on your aircon first. As for example that I lost my remote control, so I don't have any remote to operate the aircon. So now you just manually open the air conditioner. Now just open the box here. There's two, and this side and another side, and then open it. After you open the box, now you have to, as you can see, this bottom here, can push it. Oh, sorry, this bottom, the black one, push it, and now your air conditioner is operate. Can see the power is on. Now let's go back to the remote control. Close it, and another way. Okay, now let's get started with the air conditioner. After aircon is already operates, now I try to use the remote. I change the temperatures, I turn on, turn off, and nothing works because we not yet set up to let your aircon knowing each other with this remote control. To set up this remote control is very easy, not like the previous one, as I mentioned in the previous video, that we need to manually set up it. This one it can automatically searching for the aircon set aircon code. Now you just push this bottom set for hold on for 6 seconds, more than 6 seconds. I push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it now it blinking the code, and you must point your pointer to your aircon and wait until it have any effect to your aircon. Make sure you keep hold on your set bottom. Now you can hear the sound. It's beep. That means your aircon and the remote control is communication each other already. Now I change the temperature 25, yeah, and the swing down a little bit more, yes, and temperature, fan speed, high fan speed, it's working as well. Temperature. Okay everyone, I hope this video will help you and teach you how to set up your remote control. Now I turn off the aircon. Okay, that means all the function is work, and I turn it on again. Okay everyone, I hope this quick review and will let you know how to set up this Chunghop model K-650E. Set up it to your personal air conditioner, no matter what brand it is. Just only push one button, set button, and that's all for the lesson today. I hope you catch up it, and it's very easy. Thank you for your time and attention watching my video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. And please make sure you subscribe for more video. In the next video I will show you how the function on the each button in this remote control. And thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day. See you, bye bye.